Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So, who's ready for spring? I know I am, and I wanted to create this is kind of like a freelance design that I decided to make using our blooming flower transfer from Chalk Couture. And now, real quick, as you saw right there, I had done a flower and I didn't like how it turned out, and that's one of the reasons why I love Chalk Couture. If it for any reason, as long as you are designing on a non-porous surface, you can absolutely remove your design. I cleaned up my transfer with a little bit of water, and then I wiped the design away with the Clorox wipes, and I'm totally able to redo it again. Now, I'm also doing a little bit of layering on this project, and I just want to mention anytime you're doing layering, with our transfers and our Chalkology chalk paste, you want to make sure your bottom layer is dry before you apply the top layer. And you can use a hair dryer to do that, or you can continue with the project and come back to where you want to add the layer. Absolutely. As you saw right there, I was just using my hair dryer. Now, all of our chalk paste is a water-soluble semi-permanent chalk paste. And what that means is as long as you don't seal your project, once again, you can change it out for each and every season. And we always have new transfers coming out at Chalk Couture each and every month. So this, I'm using our Evergreen, our white, our lemon, and then I used a little bit of bubblegum Chalkology chalk paste. And then the blooming flower transfer is an absolute must for this spring season. Now I just added one other piece, which is our bloom where you were planted transfer right in the center, and I thought this turned out really great. So if you'd like to be a customer, you can shop right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com to check out that blooming flower transfer. Or if you want to become a designer like me and create beautiful designs that you can share with so many people, get in touch with me so I can share that information. Chalkandwithjen.com is my website. I'd love to share this with you and your friends. Have a good evening.